Got a cashier's check for $75. This is just to document everything I'm putting in here. Got a the form filled out that I have to fill out with all the documentation on it about what was wrecked, what was damaged, and everything. This is a salvage title certificate in the name of USAA Insurance. All my buddy's stuff. Anyway, the Copart paper showing $1,950 is what I won the bid for. Copy of my insurance. Then we get into the pictures. I went above and beyond on the pictures. Because we got, this is the original showing my $1,950 win, which you can't see, it's fuzzy for some stupid reason. Now, I've enlarged these pictures on the web when it was still accessible, and each one of these pictures is in order behind this page. In other words, the first thing you see is that scraped up front bumper pick, which is right there. Only damage is right here on the corner, like you saw when I first got it. Next pick is the vehicle facing to the right. I enlarged the front bumper, and then there's the one of the vehicle facing to the right. And I've got them all put in here in that same order. And then you get to this last one that's got the VIN and all that on it. And that's the last of these pics right here. And two of them I enlarged to where you can see the damage a little better, and it's still fuzzy, but you get the general idea. There's the first attempt at trying to fix the front end. Sanded it smooth, primered it, thought that was enough. Then my buddy Chuck decided it wasn't enough, so we redid it and then painted it. It's the back bumper that was gloss black when we got it. We sanded it down, primered it, and painted it, and then clear coated it. There's the quarter panel. This little dip right here is the part that goes under the gas door. And there's that messed up front clip that wasn't shiny. It's shining now. Got a pic of it to where I don't have to drive to Nashville, even though it's right next to where this stuff's all going, is right next to my old office at Signal Health Spring down there. And there's the thing installed, the back bumper cover and the body cladding. And then that's a better look at the bumper cover and the body cladding at a different angle. It's not perfect, but it's repaired. If I want perfect, I'll have to invest a little more money and do that later. but it's repaired now, and that should be all I need to get my tag, or my doggone it, should be all I need to get my salvage title. But I'll put this like so. Copart receipt, the letter. There. Now it's all the pics, the ad, all the paperwork, the repaired pics, which I don't have any receipts or anything in here because all the stuff they were asking me if I replaced. Yeah, I'll show you that real quick. All the stuff they're asking if I replaced here. We've got frame, front end assembly, deck lid or hatchback, right rear fender, right front door, driver's side airbag, the cab, the cowl right there, rear clip, interior, left rear fender, left front door, passenger side airbag, cab clip, engine, hood, front bumper, which I didn't have to replace the front bumper, all I had to do was repair it, which is done. Right front fender, didn't have to do anything to that. Right rear door, didn't have to do anything to that. Left rear airbag, bed, transmission, roof panel, rear bumper, which I did have to repair that and repaint it, but it wasn't replaced. Left front fender, left rear door, right rear airbag, tailgate, and since none of those fall under what I actually did, I put a check mark here that says no parts used, because none of these parts were actually purchased. If I'd have had to purchase something like, say, the rear bumper, then I'd have had to have been able to show what vehicle it came off of with the VIN number for that vehicle, so that they could make sure that it wasn't a stolen part. That's their way. That's Tennessee's way of making sure that you're not buying stolen vehicle parts to repair your salvaged vehicles. But anyway, well, that's